Hey there, you guys. So, got this kit from spellmaker.com. It is called Attract Love to Me. You can check them out, by the way, at spellmaker.com. This kit you can use to attract a new love. Maybe it's an old love. You can use it for business to attract new business, new friendships. Anyway, you guys, it does have all the things that you need in here, as the candles, the herbs, your gree bag, your bath salt. It is really amazing. I did check out the bath salts in here. You guys, it smells so amazing. Go check them out, you guys. Spellmaker.com. You can look at all their different spell kits they have for various purposes. Go check them out. Oh, and by the way, you guys, they are authentic. Their products are made in-house. It is not mass-produced. Go check them out, you guys. Spellmaker.com.